Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang puli kiniki di mabanabat ki advertisement.
Balay sila penjenjar ya lagi. Papinyin kerpang kini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinyo buat ki jimpen na. Bat ki berta ki shula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
Wat hapedeng ke jimpen thut uslaw ubajur hendai kamsiam lala satya ban khangla dik pai ba nongrep ban 1 sakajel lang ban rakhi ya ka jingdap laipos nam ka hills farmer union nadu bla sengya ka de kinoi lam ki bla ligno kawala penlong hamadan malki hagani ka si lawan banyadan langru dau VM Singh ubade convener ka MSP guarantee kisan morcha lembat uraju shetty ubade dukhat jongkani ka kanhon bat ubade ru MP barim nakaliang jong uraju shetty namar ka jingbam nang ban kran hakatien khasi ula suai ka jingtho so president ke HFU uba commander sang pliang ban kran lem nak banta jong u ha ka ba ula banjur ban donno dakaan ban pu dor ya ka balkhot da ka minimum support price
Banjur hi baka Sarkar India kada iban penteri kambe ya kane ka minimum support price kabamut balada kinongrem kirep yaw no umar yaw no jingthong shuai nuksa kalong arpo tingka uta umar ju kinongrem umdai ban hiar sika khat khnai lane khat pra tingka nrai udai ban long ya ka arpo tingka sejurong bat kata hi kadai bau kwae baka Sarkar India kada iban penteri kam ya kata kahan ka bationg ka minimum support price uang bakum bakalong menta ka Sarkar India ka kam baka don kata ka MSP hanrai kani kalong tang hakikat isla hanrai kam chumdai satya kata kahan ka bateri kam Jin lada ka don ka an minimum support price kinom rep kai yau biskot kinom rep kinom bu stok yau using haki jaka baper kinom rep kinom i kai yau sla terpat hauding kinom rep kinom i pot yau pan kinom rep kinom ditat yau kubi kinom rep kinyo ya kabaki day hop banyo ya kador tehnrai namar bakam don kaan kata ka minimum support price na takadaw ngimyo ya kador kababiang lada pilek tiet ya ucip uba penkelahi nau panjongi latho abai hang tu si pau tingka batsan tingka halek mentah ni hadian dukan malki ong se iti kong aino se kong pra tingka ucip lada ki ayapi kata te kabom la balong namar ka don kata ka an ka bakiong ka MRP ka minimum retail price ha ka bala fix labu dakador ya kata kamar ka ba ondi lada pilet hiet ya kiwai kimaro labu baik ya kata ka minimum retail price kimar ki ba per lada bu tenrei tang ya kimar nong rep ki jongi ba om jubu ya kador lakalong nakliang jong Sarkar lane lakaliang jongi kum kinong rep ro namar bakam don kaan kabante ban kum ladang ibu daru yanon kumnon pensitom habakam don kaan banong bakata labu ya kador jong kini kimarep Haba omdon kaan ngin syakem kela mangi ladan ibu dortam. Andai haba kadon kaan kata ka minimum support price. Kamut syubu menta ya using labu ban ong annom duna ya ka sanpo tingka. Tingi habdi baik sanpo tingka sejrong. Ladai u biskot labu dor ban ong omdai ban duna shipo tingka sejrong. Kamut kamdai ban hiar ya kata. Berkata ke longru ya baro ki jajmar. Nak kata kadau nak kalian jongi kum ka Hills Farmer Union ni ai ke Jingkrishan. Ya ki nong yalam jong kini ki nong rap na Delhi bangin dawa na ka sarkar India. Baka ban puntrai kam ya ka minimum support price. Ka minimum support price ka dai ka mat ka baka sarkar India ka dai ban pendap. Kam dai ka mat jong ka sarkar jela. Handrai ka dai ka isu jong ka sarkar India. Nak kata kadau kini kino yalam kilek keleng kijaka keleng kajala ban pensmutu ya kino rap ba ngidon kam ban dawa ya kena kam minimum support price naman laki snong kitau naman laki jaga kenang baka sarkar India kan yo ban snap ya kini kijing dawa kibangi kum kino rap idon kajing pesngau kam dai ban long tang no ba ko mandar champion kajing pesngau ya kijing ya kino rap kam dai ban long tang no ba alfan kajing pesngau ya kijing ya jong kino rap kadai ban long naman lagi snong naman lagi jaka naman lau nong rap hakinomi kmat haka sarkar bat habaro hi kinong bam kibat smutu ba pleng bangi ngim sim thiet hakador ka babyang ban im unong rap ngisu kemen bamenta kilami kijingnya keren assembly ban ngadon kijingat ke baskem bahakani ke election ar hajar ar polai ki parti kin ya keren sepang kijingnya jom dong rap kin bu ya kijing kular ban ong lada job maki kin penbiang yo sembai ngikmi lenti baki political party kin ong lada sensyar mangi ya ka sarkar ngin penbiang ya kasbo ngikmi nanti bakin ong lada sensyar mangi ngin yarap naga benta ban pensina yaki kudam ngikmi nanti bakin ong balada job mangi ngin wanra ki processing ngikmi nanti bakin ong lada job mangi ngin penbiang ya ka naga benta bapin yo ban rap baro sisnem
UVM Singh ubadi konvenok MSP Guarantee Kisan Morcha habakren hak jelang luong baki nong rep kidai banlong kibaiteli bat banya chakmat namar ka HFU kan om syukut no tang hak jala maglia handai kat penia risna trikam seki jala jong kathan setai lambingi.
You have to only be united and go ahead. Hill Farmers Union will not just remain in Meghalaya but all over the northeastern states. I must thank each one of you. The moment we entered Meghalaya from Assam, from Guwahati, we were welcomed by a young girl, I wonder if she's here, and her friends at the Meghalaya border with bananas. It was very sweet. The bananas were sweet, but the gesture was sweeter. Then right now you see loads of vegetables, the garland of betel nuts. It's a tradition, it is something you've done on your own, and Hill Farmers Union, you will go a long way in whatever you want to achieve. You already started. Last year, you had Trinity, the girl amongst you who got a Padam Shri. Remember that? She told me yesterday on the phone she wanted to come, but for some reason she couldn't come today. You started traditions. From Padam Shri you'll go higher. Take a stand. Go one step ahead and say, okay, fine. Hill Farmers Union will also give a member of parliament. Hill Farmers Union will also give a MLA from here. Go ahead. The field is yours. Go ahead, take it. You have young people, youngsters, who have the vision, who have the drive. They want to go ahead. give them support. The biggest support that you can give in turn to every village, as Alphonse just said right now, we shared these things yesterday. Mr. Raju Shetty is a coordinator from Maharashtra. I have to clarify here. I'm not the convener of the MP, although I clarified with you, you still mentioned it. No, you are a convener for us, no. I'm not the convener, we have no convener for MP, for MSP Guarantee Kisan Morcha, which is the Farmers Front. We are only coordinators, and I'm the coordinator for the biggest state, Uttar Pradesh, because I happened to be an MLA from there about 25 years ago, maybe more than that. When I was a youngster, as old as young, old or young, as many youngsters here. I was about 32 when I became MLA there. I'm a coordinator there, Raju Shetty is a coordinator in Maharashtra, and we have made 2 coordinators, Commander and Alphonse, coordinators for the whole Northeast. So your shoulders have the whole Northeast to deal with. And we are all one and united for the cause. And what is the cause? You've been hearing minimum support prices. Go to the market. Buy anything. The same vegetable. The ginger. Turmeric. The herbs. Or tomatoes and potatoes, the vegetables, or you have papayas or whatever. Whatever rate you sell at and whatever rate is sold in the market to the retailers, to the consumers, is almost 5 times more than that.